Hello, my dear viewers. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well and having a wonderful day. Today, we are going to learn English through a very useful and interesting topic: my family and family members. Family is the most valuable part of our lives. It is the place where we receive love, care, support, and encouragement. Every person has a family, and talking about family is one of the most common topics in daily conversations. People often ask questions like, "Tell me about your family. How many people are there in your family? What does your father do? What do you enjoy doing with your family?" So learning how to speak about family in English is very important. Let's start today's lesson. What is a family? A family is a group of people who love, support, and care for one another. Family members stay together during both happy and difficult times. They help each other, learn from each other, and create beautiful memories together. A loving family brings happiness and peace into our lives. Now let's learn how to describe a family in English.
My family. Hello, everyone. My name is John. Today, I would like to tell you about my family. I have a wonderful family. There are 5 members in my family. They are my father, my mother, my elder brother, my younger sister, and me. We live together happily. Our family is built on love, respect, and understanding. We care about one another and always support each other. I enjoy spending time with my family because they make me feel happy and safe. I am proud to be a member of this family. My father. Let me tell you about my father. My father is a responsible and hard-working man. He works very hard to provide for our family. Every morning, he wakes up early and starts his day with energy and dedication. He always encourages me to study hard and follow my dreams. Whenever I face difficulties, he gives me valuable advice. He teaches me honesty, discipline, and respect. His hard work inspires me every day. I admire my father very much. Speaking practice. Repeat after me. My father is hardworking. He takes care of our family. He teaches me good values. He supports my dreams. I respect my father. He is my role model.
My mother. Now let me tell you about my mother. My mother is a caring and loving woman. She takes care of everyone in our family. She prepares delicious meals and keeps our home neat and comfortable. She always listens to me and helps me when I need support. She teaches me kindness, patience, and good manners. Her love and care make our family strong and happy. I am thankful to have such a wonderful mother. Speaking practice. Repeat after me. My mother is very caring. She loves our family. She helps everyone at home. She teaches me good manners. I love my mother very much. She is very important to me. My brother. I have an elder brother. He is friendly, intelligent, and helpful. He studies at college and works hard to achieve his goals. He enjoys reading books and learning new things. In his free time, he likes playing sports and spending time with friends. He often helps me with my studies. I learn many things from him. He is not only my brother, but also my guide. Speaking practice. Repeat after me. I have an elder brother. He is very helpful. He studies hard. He helps me with my lessons. We spend time together. He is a good brother.
My sister. I also have a younger sister. She is cheerful, kind, and intelligent. She studies in school and enjoys learning new subjects. She likes drawing, singing, and reading storybooks. She always brings joy to our family. She respects everyone and speaks politely. We often play games and share stories together. I love my sister very much. Speaking practice. Repeat after me. I have a younger sister. She is very kind. She studies at school. She likes drawing pictures. She makes our family happy. I love my sister. Family activities. Our family enjoys spending time together. We have meals together every day. We talk about our daily experiences and share our ideas. Sometimes we watch movies together. Sometimes we visit our relatives and friends. We celebrate birthdays, festivals, and special occasions together. During holidays, we enjoy family trips and outdoor activities. These moments make our relationship stronger. Speaking practice. Repeat after me. We spend time together. We eat meals together. We share our experiences. We celebrate special days together. We help one another. We are a happy family. Why family is important.
Family plays an important role in our lives. Family gives us love and emotional support. Family teaches us responsibility and good behavior. Family helps us become better people. When we are sad, our family comforts us. When we achieve something, our family celebrates with us. Family is our first school and our strongest support system. Family members encourage us to never give up. They guide us when we are confused or worried. A strong family helps us face life's challenges with confidence. Family teaches us the importance of sharing and caring. The love of a family makes us feel safe and protected. Good family relationships bring peace and happiness to our lives. We learn many important life lessons from our parents and elders. Family members inspire us to become successful and responsible people. Spending time with family creates beautiful memories that last forever. A happy family is one of the greatest blessings in life. That is why we should always love, respect, and care for our family members. Daily English speaking practice. Now let's practice some useful sentences. Repeat after me. I have a wonderful family. There are 5 members in my family. My father is hardworking. My mother is caring. My brother is helpful. My sister is intelligent. We love one another. We live happily together. We help each other every day. Family is very important. I respect my parents. I am proud of my family. My family supports me. My family is my strength. I love my family very much. My family always encourages me to do my best. We enjoy spending quality time together. My parents teach me valuable life lessons. We celebrate special occasions as a family. Family members help each other during difficult times. Practice these sentences every day to improve your English speaking skills. The more you practice, the more confident you will become. Conclusion. Family is one of the greatest gifts in life. A loving family gives us happiness, strength, and encouragement. We should always respect our parents, care for our siblings, and be thankful for our family. Remember, speaking English becomes easier when you practice topics from your daily life. So talk about your family in English every day. Share stories about your parents, brothers, and sisters. Describe your daily family activities in simple English. The more you speak, the more fluent you will become. Confidence comes through regular practice and patience. Never be afraid of making mistakes while speaking English. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep improving your English step by step. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself and your family. See you in the next video. Happy learning and happy speaking.